Alright. So, here we are once again in the shed. And we've spotted a wood rack. Quite common in these parts with woodworkers, really. But today, we're going to add on to that wood rack with milk jugs. Gallon milk jugs. Should be good. So I've taken a little bit of time to clean this place up and organize it a little bit. So here, let me pull away from it a little bit. There we go. Here is what we've ended up with. The red barrel is for a future project. This thing behind it is kind of an interesting story. You'll see a video on that a little later. I do have a table saw, which I've used to make a side table for our couch for Megan. So I'll have a video on that as well because I've got to do a second one. So I need to make that. So you'll get to see that in action. Yeah, a lot of the plywood that I've got for my own personal projects as well. A metal door, which is interesting. Found that alongside the road. Not sure exactly what I'm going to do with that yet. Maybe eventually replace that desk with that, or top that desk with that. Not sure. Yeah, I got a lot of tools underneath it there. And then we've got a little bit of extra storage here and a shop vac, which is really cool. Actually, I don't think it's even shop vac brand, whatever. Not a sponsor. Clamps, gotta have clamps. I need more clamps. Always need more clamps. And a little pegboard. So that's about it. Yeah. Oh, and that where am I pointing? That wood right there is what used to be on the shelves here in the back of the garage. Not sure what I'm going to do with that yet. I might actually end up putting the backup, at least a few, right in here to house some of the tile and stuff that the previous owner left us. So yeah, all in all, I'd say it's pretty cool. I think it turned out a lot better than it was. Not quite as cluttered, and we can get rid of some of that extra stuff along the wall. I'm going to clean out the wood bin a little bit more too. So. I also need to get better lighting right over the table. That would be nice. Yeah, we started out at, was it 9:30 in the morning, and it's now just about 6. So I'd say that's a full day. Alright, thanks for hanging with me. Have a good one.